Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. We'll test whether the matrix A equals 1, 2, 3, 6 is invertible by trying to compute the first column of A inverse from A times A inverse equals I, meaning we'll attempt to solve A times X, Y equals 1, 0. Then we'll answer whether it's possible for some other matrix to find column 1 of A inverse but not column 2. As soon as we write the inverse by columns, multiplying by A just sends each column through A. So the product AA inverse has columns AC1 and AC2. The identity matrix also has a columns interpretation. Its first column is E1, second is E2. So, if an inverse exists, column 1 must solve A times C1 equals E1, and column 2 must solve A times C2 equals E2. Let's multiply out A times xy. The first row gives x plus 2y. The second row gives 3x plus 6y. Matching components turns the matrix equation into a two-equation system. Notice something structural. The second left-hand side is exactly 3 times the first. If one equation is 3 times another on the left, the right sides must also scale the same way. But here, they don't. Multiply the first equation by 3 and compare directly with the second equation. Subtracting gives a contradiction, so the system has no solution. If A inverse existed, column 1 would be a definite vector solving AC1 equals E1, but we just proved there's no such vector, so A inverse does not exist. This matrix is not invertible. The columns of A are the vectors v1 equals 1, 3 and v2 equals 2, 6. They point in the same direction, so they span only a line, not the whole plane. Because one column is a multiple of the other, the column space is only one-dimensional. The vector e1 equals 1, 0 is not on that line, so it cannot be produced as AX. That's exactly why AC1 equals E1 had no solution. Every column of an inverse is tied to a specific right-hand side, the standard basis vector, EJ. Invertible means every right-hand side has exactly one solution, so you get every column of A inverse uniquely. Non-invertible means at least one of those systems fails to have a unique solution. Even if one column equation happens to be solvable, it won't produce a well-defined inverse unless all of them are uniquely solvable. The inverse by columns viewpoint turns finding A inverse into solving a set of linear systems with E1, E2 on the right. Here, the attempt to find even the first column collapses into a contradiction, so no inverse exists. Visually, the matrix squashes the plane onto a line, so some targets, like E1, are unreachable. An inverse isn't partial. It requires every EJ to produce a unique solution. Keep going. Next, we'll build on this idea with another clean visual trick that makes these conclusions feel almost automatic.